Yeah, hey everybody. So I was going to make two quick videos for everybody here in Charleston. The first of which is making your deposits and just kind of in general running your quote unquote checkbook in QuickBooks. So the first thing I always kind of like to do is click on the banking button over here on the left, and then come over here and click on the update button right there. Okay. And basically what this does is it's going to pull in everything from Wells Fargo and Ameris. We will be getting rid of the Ameris ASAP, but pull everything up from there so that you have the most up-to-date information. And the first thing you notice down here is this is your feed. This is the bank feed. Everything that goes through Wells Fargo the next day will show up in your bank feed. This is all the stuff that Wells Fargo told QuickBooks happened the previous day. So the first thing we're always going to do is come over here, and whenever you see match over here to the right, just go ahead and click that. It's a match. QuickBook found it. All you got to do is hit match, and that'll enter it into the system. You're all good. Whenever you see a rule right here, basically what we've told QuickBooks is anytime Comcast sends in a bill, go ahead and add this rule that shows that it's for utilities, which is correct. Whatever, and just hit the add button there. You can add anything that has a rule there. Anything else, don't ever just click add over here. Bad idea to just click add. Only do that when there's some kind of note here, and it'll match it up. If you ever buy anything from Amazon, okay, Amazon will come in here, and let's suppose it was something for $27 for something for your store. Yes, you can go ahead and add that, but you have to make sure that you click on right here this uncategorized expense, and change that category over to office supplies. The categories gotta match up correctly. I'm sorry, there it is. The categories gotta match up correctly. So if this were an Amazon thing, you'd just click on there. You'd come over here and click on category, okay, and then just type in office, and then click on office supplies and software, because that's what it is. If it's Amazon, it's office supplies, and then you can come over and click add. Other than that, just don't even bother with the add stuff. I just wouldn't even do anything. I will always come back in a couple of days later and clean up what's there. So if you got a question about anything, just don't do it. Just let me clean it up on the back end. Anyway, this is a rule right here, so I'm going to go ahead and add that. I know that that's a legitimate bill, blah, blah. Okay, so right now, this is what you're looking at. We've got, in this particular case, I'm in Old Trolley. We've got a bunch of undeposited funds here from Heartland and so on and so forth. Heartland is your credit card processor, as we all know. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start doing these deposits. So you're going to come up here to the plus button, and you're going to come down here and click on bank deposit. Okay, that's going to pull up everything that has not been deposited into your QuickBooks. Now, first thing you'll notice, bad idea to have a bunch of stuff here that doesn't tell us where the payment came from. You want everything to be accounted for so that you know if something was a Visa payment or a Progressive payment or a cash payment. Because, all right, so I've got our Wells Fargo pulled up here for Old Trolley, all right. So we're going to scroll down, and we're going to be looking at deposits in here, okay? So these are all your deposits. Now, when I go back over here, in theory, all the ones from the same day, okay, all of these guys, if they're all Visas, okay, if I come over here and click on it and go click, 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 all of those from the same day, 3/23, okay. I clicked on all the ones from March 23, and it says the total over here is $4,881.34. Now, there should be, hopefully, a payment over here for $4,881.34. Fortunately, this time it matched up, all right? If one of these had been a cash payment or a Progressive or something like that, it would not have matched up. Now you got to go digging through a bunch of crap trying to figure out, oh God, which one of these is not a Visa payment, so on and so forth. But in this case, it matched up. 4881.34 matched up with 4881.34. Fantastic. So we're going to go ahead and hit save and new down here. Save and new, not save and close. That'll just close your window. Save and new because we're going to be doing a number of these. Okay, so we did that one. Now let's take a look at, okay, so this says Progressive. This says Progressive. You're going to want to go into your Progressive portal. Or actually, I'm sorry, you just look back over here on Wells Fargo and see what the last Progressive is that came through. It looks like we haven't had a Progressive in here deposited for a little while, so chances are those funds just haven't come through yet. There's a Progressive right there for $5,188.50 dating back to March 6th. So if we go back over here, well, I don't know, this could be included. Yeah, there's no way these are included in the 5,100 and whatever dollars because there aren't enough Progressives in here to total $5,000. So obviously these just haven't come through yet. Although that is very surprising because they're back from March 11th and March 12th. I'm going to have to get up with Ray and see what's going on there. Anyway, so we're going to go back up here to the 20th. That's a Visa and that's a MasterCard from the 20th. So those two should be on the same thing. And that says $578.87. So there should be a payment, deposit in here for $578.87. There it is right there, $578.87. Fantastic, it matches up. So let's go back over here, $578.87. Oh yeah, it's always a good idea to check and make sure that that right there says Wells Fargo and not anything else, because these are going into the Wells Fargo account. So we're going to come down here and click Save and New. And then we're going to go back over here and see if there's anything else that could have cleared. So this back on the 13th, we don't know. Oh, that's a credit for somebody for $48.15. Now, if that was a Visa, there will be a $48.15 negative over here by itself. I don't see withdrawals. $48 and whatever. Oh, there it is right there, $48.15. Fantastic. So we got a Heartland. Yes, continue session. Heartland withdrawal. It's on the withdrawal side, not on the deposit side. It's on the withdrawal side for $48.15. So that is real. So we're going to go back over here. It is a Visa. We're going to click on that. And we're going to go ahead and click, I think this is the right way to do it. Click Save and New. Okay, you're not allowed to do that. So here's what we got to do. You must specify a transaction amount that is greater than or equal to 0. So we've still got this checked. We're going to come down here and click Add Funds to this deposit. Is this right here? So the account that it's coming from is refunds. Oops, that's not refunds. Let's see, where is it? The add funds to this account. Discounts given. No, it should be refund. Let's see, where is it? There should be a customer refunds. There's not. No. Okay. Trying to, it's not discount. It's not a discount. So let's see, who is this? Let's see if received from. How about refund? Let's try that. Nope, that's not right. Darn it. Add funds to this deposit. I can't remember. I will have to check with the accountants, but there should be a customer refund in there somewhere. I'm just gonna go ahead and attribute it to discounts. That's probably not right. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and check with them. I'll find out exactly what that is, and I'll let everybody know what you're supposed to put in there. Bottom line is, everything that comes through the bank feed has to match up with with this side. So anyway, so for right now, until I get the answer for how to process that, and I'll let you know shortly. Other than that, all of our deposits are done. Fantastic. Everything, we're still waiting for these progressives to come through. This refund I've got to check with the accountant. These progressives haven't come through. This is a cash deposit from the 28th, which was yesterday. I doubt that's gone through. We can go ahead and take a peek and see $800 from yesterday. Well, there's a deposit for $700. I don't know why this would be $700. And this brings up a good point. Everything that's over here on this side needs to match up. Everything that's over here in your checking account needs to match up with everything that you've got over here in QuickBooks. So why we have a cash payment of $788.40, but over here in Wells Fargo we're only showing $700, and I don't see a deposit for $778. This deposit amount has to match up exactly to the penny with the amount that was actually taken in. So need to make sure that that's the case. Anyway, I'll look into this stuff and let everybody know. So thanks, guys. That's how you do deposits. Oh, and then on the back side, when you're done with that and you click over to banking, for example, the deposits we just did now show up as a match because the feed matches up with something you put in on that side. So we're gonna go ahead and hit match there and match there, and just kind of scroll down. If something says 2 records found, just leave it there. Let me figure it out. I'll get to the bottom of it and figure it out. So looks like we've got some more deposits here that aren't matching up. So I'll get to the bottom of it. Anyway, that's how you do deposits. Thanks, guys. Bye.